Dora was a young puppy who was always energetic when playing out in the yard. Although Dora was a healthy young fella, she needed to go to the veterinarian for routine checkups. To get to the veterinarian, Dora first must get into the car. To Dora, the car seems to be a big mystery with strange noises and vibrations. She felt much safer hiding underneath the car. Since Dora had never rode in a car before, she was a little bit nervous and was very conscious. To provide a little bit of courage, Jack would give Dora a dog treat. If the dog treats did not work, Jack would gently pick her up and carried her into the back seat. As Dora sat in the back seat, she was unsure what will happen next. As the engine started, the windows were rolled down for Dora. Suddenly, she felt a breeze of wind hitting her nose as if she was running fast. She continued to stick her head out through the open window, with her eye wide opening, as if it was the best day of her life. Her ears flapped in the wind, and her tongue came out to taste the air. When the car had finally stopped, Dora's happiness shifted to confusion. "Where are we?" she seemed to wonder. They came into a large room where they saw other dogs as well. Every dog seemed to be worried. When it was Dora's turn to go into a room, she was a little nervous and wanted to get out of that room. However, when the veterinarian came in to examine Dora, she did not get discouraged. All of a sudden, something poked Dora. It was something Dora never felt before. It was quick but painful. To manage the pain, Dora had to close her eyes. Dora felt sad, but Jack encouraged her that she did good as he patted her head and said, "You are so brave, Dora. Why did you bring me here?" she seemed to ask with a soft growl. After the appointment, Jack tried to lead Dora back to the car. This time, she refused even more strongly. Dora thought Jack might take her to another strange place. Once again, Jack had to carefully carry her into the car. Luckily for Dora, they were only going home. The next morning, Jack wanted to reward Dora for being such a brave girl during her vet visit. Jack wanted to take her to a dog park. However, to get to the dog park, Dora had to get into the car again. But Dora still remembered that the previous ride did not end up well. When she saw the car, she immediately looked away. In a deep state of mind, Dora wondered should she trust Jack again. Jack smiled and gave her a dog treat to calm her. Then he gently carried her into the back seat once again. As Dora sat in the back seat, her excitement did not grow even with the car window opened. She would look outside, yet did not stick her head out to feel the wind, fearing another vet visit was the destination. To Dora's surprise, they were not at the vet's office. Rather, it was a dog park. Dora's eyes grew wide, with excitement to run wild. Once inside the dog park, Dora ran with other dogs and chased each other. With so many dog toys, Dora wanted to show other dogs what she could do. Dora was so cool at the dog park, she made many friends. This friend's name was Tofu. As Jack watched Dora, he was happy she got along well with other dogs. When they got home, Jack spoke to Dora and said, "Did you like the car ride? And did you have fun at the dog park?" All Dora heard was ride and park, and knew that the next time she heard those words, they were going to somewhere. As Dora reflected back, she finally realized that a car ride isn't all bad. It was exciting, and she could go to places. Thus, for Dora, car riding came with risks and rewards. and the rewards seemed to outweigh the risks, especially if it's a dog park. Please like and subscribe to my channel.